child, the ghetto. Okay, right now I'm gonna get him out Uber. How are you?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Give me a run for money. There is nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Split by me, feeling lovely, living lovely.
Hi YouTube. It's a minor call right now. I'm standing outside the nail shop. I'm finna go up in here and get right. So I'm getting a pedicure and my eyebrows done. The nail shop is super cute. I'm finna show y'all.
Split by me, feeling lovely, living lovely. I wanna be with you. 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 Me just love. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you.
I just got finished. Now I'm sitting right here waiting for my Uber. I hope this music don't get me copyrighted. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get in the car. When y'all get y'all eyebrows done, do y'all feel like a new person? I do. And Pablo got me waiting on the block. Posted. I went to Lancaster Nail Bar. It was super quick. They had okay customer service. They was a little rude, but they did what they're supposed to do. So I'll allow it. Well, actually, I have to talk to y'all. So I'm just gonna update y'all on what we have to do for today. Today we have to go get our nails and toes done and get a wax. I'm waxed up, booty hole waxed down. I'm gonna talk to y'all when my Uber get here. This better not be my Uber. I'm in the U.
How are you?
I'm good. How about yourself?
I'll say pretty good. It's a very slow day.
Okay. I'm finna go get my wax. I took my shower. Oh, 3. Yeah. We in a trench right now. I look so insane. Okay. I'm supposed to be filling this out. Okay. Let me show y'all my business card.
Okay, here you go. This is one more phone for you.
Look at her. Okay. Hold on. She just.
Everybody love their light.
I have to update my YouTube video. I took my wig off. My frontal off. I'm leaving my stink house. Ah. Bro, my sister did the same thing in my vlog, bro. We're gonna be on YouTube being so ghetto. Bye. I'm pulling up to Kayla house. That's my Uber. He was cool. He was real cool. He was from New Orleans. He say he has a food business that he's trying to launch. Just networking. But now I'm about to get my nails done. Yeah. How I nailed it. My glam team, 10 out of 10. These is my nails before, y'all.
This is her nail tech before.
Yeah.
Look good now, gonna look good after.
Yeah. Okay, but for real, we doing like some gold stiletto nails. I'm excited. Since I don't remember, but I came to the bathroom to do a hair update. Real cute. Only got this left. And then I'm doing lashes, and I gotta be at the airport at 4 a.m. I don't know if I'm gonna include the preparation into one vlog or make it two. But whenever y'all get this, y'all know. Yeah. Nails, eat hair, eat glam squad, eat Tojo. Stop playing. I'm gonna come back with my hair finished.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Just pick it up.
Don't put it in the pocket because you would not just got it. Because I would just got it. I would just got it.
I nailed it on the nails.
Look at the nails down.
The braids?
A baby. Her baby like period.
Period.
Her baby period like. No.
You say you don't want them too long. Did you want them around Kayla's length?
Nah. A little longer. Cause you know how I miss to get over it.
But you just said I don't want them too long. I don't want them too long.
Okay, but listen. Let me tell y'all, this is what I told her that I wanted. I told her I wanted. Like, PLV, your last check, don't listen to you. I'm gonna wake up with glitter, like.
I would say glitter, but you know, it's still gonna be cute. You can waste your time telling me what you want. I'll think about it. Come on, tell me.
I want like cat eye with some spikes, and I don't want them too long, but I don't want them short. You know?
No, I don't.
Hey,
Go off.
It's Gavin. It's scathing.
This shit on. Open your eye.
Yes, Mimi?
Why would you come with this in here? This is
Mimi,
like
nothing
gunk
just happened.
Y'all see how my lash shape do me?
and dirt. Oh,
It's not.
do
It's
never come to y'all appointment like this, because I will not allow y'all, and I'm not playing.
the
This look like, give me that phone. Look at this from the top. Close your eye. Can y'all see?
having to do content
I don't drop this phone on your face.
and
You
record
got that
makeup
phone on her face.
videos. And
So what are you trying to say?
all of
bring it
that,
up.
like.
Move. Okay, for real, Kiki.
Bro, I
move.
was just talking about this with my sister. I said sometimes when I drop the phone, I just go for cover. Like I don't even try to catch it. You know. No, I'm not getting no color in my lashes.
Oh, you are getting a decal.
I'm definitely not.
You are.
I'm not.
It's gonna be a heart.
What?
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out if I should do
No.
something simple like
No.
silver, or if I should dash you with green, yellow, blue,
No,
pink, and purple,
no,
because you came with all this.
I don't want no. If I get up, that lash will come out today.
Okay, I'm gonna make sure it's a big piece so you can have a gap in your stuff.
Oh, I'm suing.
Ooh, 1 hour in.
Yeah. She didn't even give me no color, y'all. I'm surprised. Essential extensions on her lashes. Now I gotta go to the house, pack my bag, and then by the time, well, no, it's gonna be a couple of hours. We're going to the airport at 4. Excuse my edges, I haven't done them yet, but then I gotta pack and we're going to the airport. And then gotta wait at the airport until whatever time the flight is. I don't really know, man. I'm just supposed to be here. I don't know if I'm gonna put this in the other vlog, but if I'm not, then this is the end of the vlog. And I had so much fun recording this. It was my first video back. Yeah, stay tuned for the actual Vegas vlog. It's gonna be posted next week. Nails, lashes, brows, hair, Ubers. I did everything with y'all. So, yeah. See y'all next week.